Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Got 10 by 7 slate canyon ridge. Check out the detail. Slate looks beauteous. Got the nice windows. 10 by 7, and we did some, that's what the doors used to look like. Did a nice pitch track up there because we got the jack shaft. Heavy hardware. And a spring system. I like tilting these up like this for the jack shaft to help the door kind of go like this way on the way down, help it get that bottom panel going. That's it. 10 by 7 with 20s. Clears that doorway. The door opens up great. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. Clopay Canyon Ridge Slate. 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord.